by early Monday morning. Then as we get into Tuesday morning, Category 2 potentially becoming a Category 3 by early Wednesday as this storm track now takes it again the west coast of Florida. Eventually it will move across the peninsula and weaken a bit and then drop back to a Category 1 strength as it makes its way back out into the Atlantic. At this point, still forecast to stay in the Atlantic once it moves across the Florida peninsula, and that's by the end of next week. So lots of changes still to be made as we get more information about this, but certainly something to keep an eye on as we go through the week. Another potential hurricane impacting parts of Florida. Back here at home, we're watching a cold front move through. Not a lot of moisture with this. We actually could use the rain as we've got drought conditions across the state. But this is just going to briefly increase cloud cover, also going to increase wind speeds today. In fact, as this front moves through, notice your wind gusts expected to pick up by 10 o'clock in the morning. We're talking 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts possible. Some stronger winds on the backside of that system, still 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts through 5 p.m. And then eventually this evening by 10, 11 o'clock, we will start to see that wind easing and then calming during the overnight as the wind direction changes out of the northwest. So with those stronger winds today, that will combine with low humidity, of course, the dry ground we have, that will increase the risk of rapidly spreading fires. So National Weather Service encouraging folks to avoid outdoor burning, especially during the stretch of dry weather, especially when we have some increased wind speeds. Also, use extra caution when discarding things like lit matches. And as far as the winds go, secure those outdoor objects. Outside of those stronger winds, of course, we've got the sunshine. Temperatures will still rebound back near 80 for a high today while we sit on the warm side of that cold front. Really depends on where you are in the state. A touch cooler to the northwest where that front moves in first. We're talking upper 70s, 80 around the Indy Metro and 83 in Shelbyville. And then come tonight, once we're sitting on the backside of that frontal boundary, temperatures drop to the 60s this evening. We're going to be in the 40s to get the day started tomorrow and then much cooler. Feeling